What's up, y'all? My name's Dave. I'm a financial advisor. I'm here to help you secure your future financial stability and therefore your freedom to live your life. Quick disclaimer before we get into the video. This is free financial advice. Please follow it at your own discretion and don't sue me. Thank you. So today I'm going to be walking you through the most important part of investing, which is how to start. And this will only take 10 minutes of your time, and I encourage you to do it as soon as possible because investing seems a lot more daunting before your account is open than once you've already got it open. Once it's open, it's so much more likely you're going to start investing. And I encourage you to check the link at the top of this video for why it's so important for your future financial stability to start investing today. So I like to compare the steps you take to set up your investment account with the steps you already took to set up your bank account, right? First, you figure out which company you want to work with. I personally recommend Charles Schwab as a brokerage firm because they allow you to invest in $5 increments rather than having to buy entire shares of investments at a time. If you don't know what a share is, it's just one piece of investment. Schwab will let you slice it down into $5 increments. So let's say the investment costs $300, but you only have $290 to invest this month. You wouldn't want to have to wait a whole nother month for your next paycheck in order to buy one stock. I think it's so much better to just be able to buy in $5 increments and invest as much money as possible. So as much of your money is making money for you. So once you choose your company that you want to, set up your investment account with or set up your bank account with, you then deposit money into that account, right? And the only extra step for investment accounts after bank accounts is that once you deposit the money, you need to then buy the investments, right? And one thing that can confuse people who are starting to invest is the stock symbols that investments have. And so when you're in your app or you're on the website for your firm and you want to type in the name of the investment you want to buy, you're going to type the symbol and not the name of that investment. So every single investment has its own symbol. For example, Apple gets shortened to AAPL, Tesla gets shortened to TSLA, and if I share my screen, you can see really clear example of it. This is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, which is a type of investment. So this is the name of the investment, but this VTI at the top is the stock symbol. So when you're going to buy the investment, you'll type in VTI. You won't type out the full name. Just wanted to clarify that because that tends to confuse people. Once you buy the investment, that's it. You can sell anytime you want, and you can send the money in your investment account back to your bank account whenever you want. If you want to learn what investments I recommend and which investing strategy is best for you, then I encourage you to check the Linktree in the description with my other YouTube videos. But that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, check the description below for my Linktree to my other videos. If you want to receive updated investment advice relevant to the stock market today, then fill out the Google form below and mark that you want to be added to my newsletter. If you want free personalized financial advice, then fill out that same Google form and add me to your investment account as a view only role. That will allow me to see but not actually do anything with your account so I can give you free personalized financial advice. If you're unsure how to add me as an authorized viewer, call the customer support phone number and they'll be able to walk you through it. You may be wondering, why am I offering financial advice for free? Well, in 20 years, when you've made your money from this free investment advice and you're looking for a financial advisor to provide you more comprehensive assistance, I want to be the first person you think of. And I look forward to embarking on that journey with you. But that's everything from me. Congratulations on starting your journey towards your financial freedom, and I'll see you next time.